Are you frustrated by the error message, error in col2rgb, invalid color name, while using tweenr in RStudio? You're not alone. Today, we're going to unravel this common issue and help you get back to your data visualization. I completely understand how annoying it can be when your code works perfectly on dummy data, but fails on your real data set. It can feel like you're chasing your tail, right? You're definitely not the only one facing this challenge. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user mentioned that they encountered the error in col2rgb, invalid color name, when applying tween states to their list of data frames. They found that their first character column is being recognized as a color, which is causing the issue. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this error? The issue often arises when R tries to interpret a non-color value as a color. This can happen if your data frame has character columns that are not formatted correctly. Let's break this down step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I will share a crucial tip that can help you avoid this error in the future. To address the error in col2rgb, the user should first check the data types in their dataset. Specifically, they need to ensure that the first character column is not being interpreted as a color. Next, the user should convert the first character column to a factor or character type if it is being treated as a color. This can help prevent the col2rgb error. After adjusting the column type, the user should verify that all color names in their dataset are valid. Invalid color names can trigger the col2rgb error. Finally, the user can run the tween states function again with the updated dataset. This should resolve the error if the previous steps were followed correctly. Fun fact, did you know that R was originally created by statisticians for statisticians? It's come a long way since then, but sometimes it still throws us curveballs like this error. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution suggests that you might be passing too many columns to the tweenr function. The user recommends trimming your data to only include the necessary columns for the tweenr arguments, plus one additional column for the values you want to tween. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. One user faced the same issue and found a solution by ensuring that the first column of their dataset only contained numbers, without any strings. They discovered that if the first column includes strings, it gets interpreted as colors, leading to the error. Here's the tip I promised. Always validate your data before applying functions like tween states. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the invalid color name error in RStudio. Remember, validating your data is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips, and don't miss our next video.